What's up, guys? In today's video, we don't care to get the heater, but we're actually going to be replacing these stock old dumb headlights on old Kona here with some old projector. I have no idea what these actually are, but that's what those are. So they look a little different and they're cleaner. So, dang, what is that? What in God's name is that thing? Yep. You know how Mr. Barry said use the right tool for the right job? I don't think this is the right tool for the right job.
This is exactly the right tool. This is what Osha himself told me to use.
Ah! Whoa! Oh, it's so hot. Oh, look at that. Alright guys, so we went to Walmart, bought a bunch. That's harsh. We went to Walmart trying to find a different bulb. Alright, battery died, we're back together. Okay, so I went to Walmart trying to find a bulb that will work for the other headlight.
Not sponsored.
Not by what? Oh. Since these are a lot bigger than what this actually came with. I'm pretty sure it's an HID kit, obviously. So I went ahead and bought another HID kit because this one only came with one, and I gotta use, the retainer clip that it comes with from that actual bulb. What are you kicking? Are you dumbers? I can't even see you. You have a slit hammer. All right, so like they go in here. The problem was this just sat in there like that. And that's no help. And then this one goes all the way in there. So I just went ahead and I bought some. Stop! Bought some actually HIDs. So I'm gonna have to pick this up on Tuesday. It is absolutely beautiful outside. So I just went to LKQ and got the muffler. I got a little center console thingy, and then I got, what else was this? The little wiring harness for the radio, because I just went ahead and just grabbed it because it was free. But I also did find some HIDs locally. So here's the old HID. Oops. And here's the new one. You see how that one has a lot more of little plastic deal, and then this one does not. So what I did was I cut most of that off of this piece right here. Don't touch it with your finger. This stuff right here I cut off. So I'm going to show you that right now. You want to cut these little grooves off. Okay, now it's completely flush all the way around. So grab your headlight. There's the old headlight. Alright, and then make sure you place it straight down. And guess what? It goes all the way in. Take this little guy. Have it pushed down. There we go. What I had to do is actually bend the actual little clip that way, and then that way, and then both on both sides. And now this thing's not even gonna wiggle. Number 2 is now complete. Thing's not going anywhere. All right, so I gotta hook up the actual. Is it the ballast or the box? Whatever the hell this is. Zip. Okay. And then you got these go into one of these for the connector itself, so you got to hardwire that. But it's a straight, simple plug and play, because these two, obviously, one goes here, and then the other one goes right there, and then the box to these plugs, and then that, and hardwire, like I said. So I'm a little confused. So I went ahead and hooked up the test light. This blue wire right here on the right is the low beam, and the yellow on the left is the high beam. Well, this kit only has 2 wires that I just put in. So I put in the power to the right because that's the low beam. So how's the high beam gonna turn on if there's no power? Because once you hit the high beam, this cuts power to the blue obviously and switches it over to the yellow for the high beams. So I don't know how that's gonna work. Am I just not gonna have any high beams? Because these should be high and lows. So I thought maybe, hey, take this wire, take the wire from this side and hook it over there as well. But I don't have another spade connector to like take this part and go in there, because if I do that, then I'm just hardwiring it to kick it back on. That's like having the headlight always on. I don't know. I guess I'll do this again and put everything back together. Alright, so if everything's working, we should see a 6000K coming out. Maybe you want to open the door? Okay. Let's plug this in, turn the car. Okay, well, it's warming up. I need LED bulbs too. That's what I need to go buy as well. But let's see what's going on with the brights. See if it just shuts off. Yep. Shuts right off. Yep, okay. No brights, which kind of suck. But I mean, if they're bright enough, then they're bright enough. You know what I mean? Because if they're not as bright as they need to be, like when I'm driving, I'm just gonna go back to the old ones and sell these things. Because I don't know. I don't know. Alright guys, so here is the final look. I think they look a lot better being black as the housing than the normal silver chrome, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I think they look so much better. But now let's see what they look like on. Oop, gotta turn the fogs off. No more fogs. Alright, we'll turn the lights off and let them warm up, because HIDs are really stupid about that. For one, I gotta get LED LED side markers here, and then the side bulbs I need LED too, because the yellow really just does not look good. But they're warming up now, and I think it really complements the blue, but I really wanted the white, how the LEDs are. Well, why didn't you just buy the LEDs? Well, you obviously saw why I didn't, because the LEDs would not have fit properly. But I hope these are just as bright as my, the halogens I actually had. Ooh, look how mean that is. Ooh. I don't know, they look like 2 different colors to me, because that one looks like blue and that one looks white. I'm gonna message the guy back, but hope you guys liked this video. If you did, drop a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. See you guys later. Peace out.